As someone who's just starting out, Shopify can be a little bit unnerving to navigate. But in this video, I'm going to walk you through specifically how to set up payments for the first time within Shopify. This is how you're going to get payments from customers that buy from your store. I'm also going to show you how you can fast track the process of finding the best third-party payment providers, as well as how to avoid a crucial mistake that a lot of beginners tend to fall into. All of that coming up. And by the way, if you haven't signed up to Shopify just yet, they do have a current deal, which I've linked in the description, which is one of their best deals ever, where you can start free for 3 days and for $1 a month for the first 3 months. Okay, let's get started with the video. So once you've logged into your Shopify store, the first thing you want to do is navigate onto the Finance tab, which is on the left top menu there. Once you click onto Finance, you then go into Activate Shopify Payments. I'm just going to click on that. Now, it's worth noting that Shopify Payments is not available in every single country, so you want to just make sure that it is available in your country, especially if you're outside countries like the United Kingdom or the USA. What you want to do, just as a quick tip, is go onto a tool like ChatGPT, and ChatGPT will do the research on your behalf and let you know what countries is available. Quick power tip, rather than you trusting ChatGPT, because sometimes the information you'll get on here is not always up to date, make sure that you click on the websites that it cites here as the source of the information and go directly on the website to make sure that you're getting some up-to-date information. If you're not using ChatGPT, if you click onto your store name on the top right hand corner and click onto Help Center, that will take you onto the help resources that Shopify makes available to their users, as well as on the bottom right hand side there, you'll notice you've got a contact support section where you can do a live chat with their support. So a number of different options to help you understand if the option for Shopify payments is available where you are located. So that is the top part we can see here. And in terms of what Shopify payment is, it's Shopify allowing you to take payments from customers that navigate to your website using their own native built-in system. You've got some copy there, competitive credit card rates, better checkout conversion with Shop Pay, and so forth. Again, do your research to understand whether this is an option that is suitable for you and where you are, and of course your goals, etc. And by the way, if you are serious about making the most of Shopify this year, don't forget to grab the free starter kit that I have linked in the description. It's a free PDF download where we cover a variety of different topics to help you fast track your Shopify growth this year. Next up, we've got the third party payment section. And what this is for is if Shopify is not the best option for you, this may be because you haven't got Shopify available in your country, as we discussed earlier, or it may be that you prefer another payment provider that, in your opinion, based on your goals, is a better option than the native Shopify payments option. This is where you can add them. As you can see here, payment methods that are available with one of Shopify's approved payment providers. Now, what you can do, if you click on here, we can see straight away that PayPal is one of the options that you can add. If I click on add payment method, you'll be taken here onto another window, and here you can search the available payment providers. Just going to go A, B, C, D, E, and so forth to see what options are available. Once again, this is what your customer is going to see when they come to the point where they are about to pay for the product or service they've purchased from your Shopify store. Obviously, as you can imagine, the more options are available at checkout for you to pay, the more you feel easier and the more you're likely to purchase product. So as a seller, you want to think about how many options you can add. You want to have as many as possible, but you want to find that balance between not just having every single option out there, just having as many as you can be registered for and as many as you can manage and balance. You have to obviously keep in mind fees and any admin bits and bobs that you need to be aware of as you are adding those different stores. And another quick tip as well, you can ask AI to list for you what payment providers are available within your country, just linking back to the third party payment providers section that we covered earlier. Like for example, I've asked ChatGPT here to link which ones are available. So I'm just going to redo the prompt here so you can see. So you can go ahead and ask what payment providers are available in the UK for me to use as third-party providers within my Shopify store, and I'm just going to say list 10. So it's got, you can obviously reword this and phrase it in whatever way works best for you, but you've got ChatGPT doing the majority of the work for you rather than you manually having to search online. Straight away I can see here what payment providers are available and what payment providers are compatible with Shopify as well. Now you can obviously ask for 30, 50, however many you feel like you require. Another quick tip that's worth considering as well is these payment providers that we are talking about. Some of them may require for you to be a registered business. Some of them will still go ahead and work with you even if you are an unregistered sort of sole trader or individual. So you want to just make sure you find out all of that information, not just what payment providers are there. Will they work with the type of setup that you've got? Will they work with you as a sole trader? Will they work with you as an individual? Or do you need to be a registered LLC for them to work with you? And some payment providers work globally as well. So don't just think about the country that you're in. You want to obviously accept payments globally as well if you are intending to sell a type of product which you'll be making available to globally to as many customers as possible. Different depending on you, depending on what kind of setup you have got going on. Underneath the third party section, you have got this payment capture method. This is how you can control how payments appear to the customer that buys product from your website, so how they visually appear. Quick tip, you may not need to change this. Shopify has the perfect system set up essentially, unless you are really particular about how you want to manage this, is for when the payment is placed. So here you're saying when an order is placed, this is when I want my payments to be taken. The second option here is you authorize the payment and capture once the entire order is fulfilled. So rather than the order having been taken, this is when the order has been received physically by the customer. I'm sure there's plenty of use cases where you can use that option. If you are finding value, by the way, do drop us a big like. One click for you, it does wonders for the channel. You know the deal. Moving on to the next section here, we've got manual payment methods. So these are payments that are made outside your online store. Orders paid manually must be approved before being fulfilled. So this is for users that use the Shopify POS system. This is when people are manually purchasing products from you in a physical setting. So when you've got a shop, a stall, or something along those lines outside your online store, and this is where you can go ahead and get that sent up, how exactly you want those payments to be received, and so forth. I know a lot of people that are watching this video may be leaning more towards the online store side, whereas obviously there will be some that are leaning more towards the manual payment side, or both. Next section is gift cards. So this is where you can set up digital gift cards. So use cases you can think of, for example, if it's say Christmas and your mother uses your Shopify store to purchase products, they have a really good experience, and then they decide they would like to gift their daughter a gift card digitally for them to be able to purchase a product from your store as a Christmas gift, for example. This is where you can set that option up as a seller. Do you want the gift cards to expire? Do you want them to never expire? And as you can see, you've got Apple Wallet passes at the bottom as well, which you can go ahead and customize. You can customize how they appear, the header, and a lot of other details here. So a bunch of different options you have got here. And essentially, once you've set up this area and once you've added your product onto your Shopify store, obviously you are pretty much good to go, having made sure that everything is set up properly. If you guys would like me to do a deeper dive into this process, by the way, let me know in the comments. Again, if you have found that useful, let me know in the comments. If you have got any additional questions around Shopify and how to get it set up as a beginner, I'd love to see how I can help the first few people that comment in the next 24 hours or so. I will see you in the next one.